you doing, guys? We're here at Universal Studios. Today, we're going to try some delicious foods. We're actually going to try 5 delicious foods that I think maybe you guys should come and check out for yourself.
And we're also going to check out some new merch that just came out.
So we're excited for this. We want you guys to join us today on this Magic Journeys. Here we go. All right, so we're going to walk over to the Mulligan's Pub. We're gonna try something delicious that maybe should be downstairs, but it's up here.
It's not, and it's actually hidden. It's one of the hidden secret drinks. So.
Yeah, you know, I was thinking this drink would be at Jurassic Park or the Jurassic World downstairs, but it's up here. But we're gonna show it to you guys. And the hours do vary here. You can see it posted up, but usually they close like maybe 3 or 4 hours before the park does close. So they open at 11 today, and they close at 6. So we gotta get inside and get some of this drink.
Let's go.
Ooh, nice move. A really cool looking drink.
So Mulligan's Pub, I got myself the Jurassic water, which is pretty cool because it's actually one of their hidden secret menus. I didn't see what it had in there. I think it had like sort of Jadori sour, it had some gin, grenadine, and it also had vodka. The bartender, she said it tasted almost like a fun Long Island iced tea. So cheers, here we go.
Cheers.
It's really sweet. You can taste a little bit of the gin, a little bit of the grenadine, and lots of Sprite. So it's one of those very sweet drinks, but I can tell you this, it is gonna be like hitting me a little bit later.
I think maybe you also gotta mix it.
Yeah, mix
Give
it.
Give it some mix. There you go.
Cool.
I'm sure that'll change things a little bit.
I mean that purpley color, that's so cool.
Wow.
I'm all like I've never been to
Those
school.
are definitely some Jurassic Park waters there.
It almost tastes like a Shirley Temple now.
Yeah?
Yeah, but it's not a Shirley Temple. I've had Shirley Temples before. It's not it.
So that definitely changes its flavor.
Yeah, I can taste the grenadine now and the Sprite with like the alcohol flavoring.
There's no one.
But it's good. I like it. You should try it if you're looking for something fun. You know, a little fun for the adults there. Get it, and it's fun, and it changes color, and it'll keep you hydrated on this heat. Cheers.
Very good.
Deli market, and look at this cute popcorn bucket. It's the Life of Pets popcorn bucket, but it's almost like a 3D type of thing.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's like, doesn't it look like a fire hydrant?
Yeah, they didn't have this last time, so that's really nice.
They did it, but they also have the Minions one too, and his little summer floaty. Look.
Whoa!
She's so cute. Look at the little flower, the bathing suit. I don't know who wears shoes on to the pool like that, but
Yeah, they're minions. They can do whatever they want.
They might be water shoes. So look at the little floaty. Oh, they're so cute.
Look at this, guys. They have some really cool Sweet Life of Pets treats here at the Palace. It's really nice. 2 little marshmallows covered in chocolate. It's a little dog. They also have these really cute sugar cookies that I'm sure the kids would love. And look, they got Sweet Life of Pets Max Puppy Chow. It looks kind of like Chex Mix with sugar.
Puppy Chow?
Have I eaten
Yeah,
puppy chow?
I think there's like different ways you can say puppy chow, but it's basically just like Chex Mix. A lot of people do it differently, just Chex Mix and powdered sugar and chocolate, or they do like Chex Mix with peanut butter, chocolate, and powdered sugar, or just chocolate, or just peanut butter.
Really? That's
you want to try it?
I've never even tried that, but I didn't even know about that.
Out.
Okay. She's like, oh, you're trying it. Got Max ice cream bars. I'm kind of tempted to try one of these, but I'm pretty sure it's just like regular, you know, frozen pops. That's cool.
It's good. The pina colada with tahini.
Pina colada with tahini? Oh! Next time. I'm getting that next time.
All right. Here it is. Good, sir.
Max, so this is a thing?
It's a thing. You never heard of it?
No.
Oh my gosh, you're not living life. Some people like it, some people hate it. I like it. It's just a fun little quick snack.
It's like Chex Mix, you're right, but it's chocolate.
Yeah, so it's chocolate, or you can do whatever. You like it?
Yeah, they're pretty good. It's really sweet because of the powder, but
there's like different names for it. I just don't. I call it puppy chow, but in the comments, if you know what I'm talking about,
yeah,
put it down below. Cause I know they're called differently in some other places.
Yeah.
But
yeah. If it had like some little pretzel sticks and some M&Ms. It's nice though. It's pretty cool. Something fun. I'm sure the kids would love.
So right now we're inside a Mel's Diner because you can get this treat at pretty much at Disneyland, but I feel like this is the only place you can get it here at Universal Studios. So we got the funnel cake and we basically got the works. So you can add strawberry, chocolate, and whipped cream or vanilla ice cream. But we did everything. So we did chocolate, strawberry, vanilla ice cream, and whipped cream.
We did it all.
We did it all. You gotta go hard or not, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So here at Mel's Diner, you could also get the Mel's Classic Burger, barbecue brisket sandwich, a hot chicken sandwich. There's a lot of foods to check out. You definitely have to come back and try these foods because those look delicious.
No, thank you. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Yum, 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 yum.
We got a little funnel cake. So let me tell you this right now. It's tinier than a Disneyland funnel cake.
I stopped listening to you and I just keep looking at this gloriousness.
Oh, get in there, Janelle.
I'm gonna have a bite of this.
Yeah, just get it.
That's gonna satisfy a sweet tooth for sure.
Yeah, so it's definitely a lot smaller.
Very small.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab some ice cream too.
But it's delicious.
Look at that. Okay, so it is a lot smaller, but this one here starts at about $7.99. The one at Disneyland, I believe it's about $15. So it's half the price. You do get half the size of it. But I mean, if you're someone who doesn't want to eat a big funnel cake, this is perfect because it is delicious and it's great for that. Just that one person who's not going to share with a whole group of people and they just want the funnel cake for themselves. This is a perfect funnel cake for you to try. It is delicious. I love the chocolate. I love the strawberry. And I'd say it's just as good as Disneyland's. It's pretty good. I like the fact that you can do all this though. So most people, when they come to Springfield, they think of that big pink donut.
Yes.
We're not gonna get that.
I usually do. But we're actually getting something savory today at Krusty.
Yes, Krusty Burger. Let's go.
Let's go. We're not getting donuts today, but that does sure look good, doesn't it?
It does.
Chief Wiggum knows what he's talking about.
Chief Wiggum, you make that donut look good. Look amazing here.
Amazing here.
I'm glad it's not IRS burger though. So this is a Sideshow Bob hot dog. Look at this. Comes with fries. It's an all beef hot dog with some chili, some onions, and look how big this is. And you can get it here at Krusty's Burger. We're actually at Moe's right now. I wanted to stop for some Duff Light, but instead I decided to get myself a Buzz Cola. Yeah, and this is no calories, 0 calories. How did they do that?
Try it.
Because from what I saw, they pumped in some grenadine.
It looked like grenadine from the Buzz pump thingy.
Yeah, huh.
So
We'll see.
we'll find out.
Here comes the hot dog. All right, here we go.
Yeah.
It's juicy, it's savory. I love the cheese, I love the chili. It's a very savory hot dog, and I love the fact that the buns are stale. I'll tell you that right now. And I just drank some of the Buzz Cola. It's a Roy Rogers, and I'm pretty sure they're using Coke Zero, but it tastes just like a cherry Coke. It is very good, and it's something you guys should try out here at Universal Studios.
I like coming here because I actually hear Moe's like quotes.
Poor Mo.
I
The
know.
prank calls.
The prank calls, like my favorite one is the I see more butts. Hey everybody, I need to see more butts.
Or IP Freely.
Now it's
And Ivanka Tinkle, or Ivana Tinkle or something like that. Hey, he threatens them pretty bad, Bart and Lisa.
I know.
They just laugh it off. It's hilarious. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the lower lot. We're gonna go to that Mummy Eats.
The Mummy Eats, yes.
The Mummy Eats. Last time we were there, we tried a Korean dog, which we were kind of disappointed about.
Yeah, but this time we're gonna get these. I can't speak today. These delicious churros.
The churros. Now, one treat we got today was a funnel cake that was basically half size and a little bit of the half price too. And it was good, but these churros, just like Disneyland, we're gonna let you know if they're good or not. Looks like still working on Nintendo World down there. Not a lot has been done since the last time we were here, which was about maybe a month ago. Looks like everything is still pretty much the same.
I'm so excited.
Me too. All right, so we were gonna get some strawberry shortcake churro, right? But
yes.
the line is just moving way too slow. Way
like
too slow.
one person working it, which is fine, you know, things take time. But we decided to go back upstairs and get some delicious ice cream.
Yeah. Whoa.
Ooh.
All right.
Strawberry. It is banana.
Here comes banana. That's the one I picked. All right, so we got strawberry here. This is Janelle's ice cream, and I'm waiting for mine. Mine's the banana. It's right over there.
So we got the strawberry swirl and the banana swirl. And let me just say, they have a lot of flavors. Like they had black cherry, watermelon. They also had like vanilla, chocolate. They also had like cotton candy, orange.
Yeah.
So many flavors. But we chose strawberry and banana. Here we go. It's melting on me. I do apologize.
You got this, Janelle.
That's delicious.
Ooh, all right.
Ah.
And that's mine. That's the banana.
Mmm.
Which one do you like more?
I like the strawberry better.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. This is so delicious. I know it's melting, but it's such a fun treat to walk around with when you're like really, really hot like me. But like, yeah, it's so good.
That's really cool.
It's melting fast, but it does taste a lot like banana. And I think it's that yellow syrup to put on the outside. This is awesome. You can get it here at the ice cream parlor in Springfield. So one thing I just remembered is that they do have a concession stand upstairs.
Yes.
We were trying to get some of those strawberry shortcake churros, but the line was just way too long down there.
But this one's actually pretty short,
It's
so
short.
we looked out.
Yeah, so this is cool. If you're trying to get a strawberry churro, well, you can get up here.
What's really cool about this concession stand, guys, is they do have ices. And these ices, they have in different flavors. They have cherry, cherry lime, blue raspberry. They also have passion fruit, lemonade, and Coca-Cola. I want to get passion fruit.
I know you do. Ugh.
All right, so the passion fruit one wasn't working. So I'm going to try cherry lime because that's the one I was kind of eyeing first. I think that's the one. I'm kind of glad it happened.
That's so mean. No, I'm sure it would have tasted good. Is it my cup of tea? Probably not, but I'm sure it would have been
Oh,
yours.
thank you so much.
Oh, pretty.
There it is.
That looks so pretty.
I know, right? Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
Thank you. This is the flavor right here.
Got a churro.
Cherry, and you got cherry lime.
I got the cherry lime. So what was it? The passion fruit?
The passion
It went
fruit.
bad.
It went bad.
The passion fruit machine wasn't
Maybe
working.
It was a sign, like.
Well, I was kind of wanting to try the cherry lime, so I'm kind of
happy that you got it. Okay, good. As long as you're happy, it makes me happy. Cheers. All right, so I got a strawberry shortcake churro. I'm just gonna bite into it. Ooh, so warm.
Yeah, what's inside? I can't see.
I am in love with these churros, you guys. The inside filling is so sweet. It almost tastes like an apple not apple turnover, but a strawberry turnover. It's so crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and that little strawberry jelly is so delicious. It doesn't taste artificial, which I'm really surprised, but I mean, maybe I'm scrumptious
Yeah.
churro.
I like it because it tastes like an actual pastry. It doesn't taste all saturated with sweetness. It's good.
I know. I can just imagine myself with some vanilla ice cream, just.
Oh.
All right.
Yep, universal ice cream.
All right, so we got our ices here: cherry lime
And cherry.
and cherry.
Classic.
Ooh.
Mine's so good.
It tastes like one of those Mexico paletas,
Mexican
the lime
paletas,
ones.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Try this. Tell me I'm wrong.
Oh yeah.
Right?
So good.
Yeah. I like this very much. Cheers, Janelle. At the Universal shop right now, they have the Super Mario World merch, which is really cool.
This is really cool.
Yeah,
It's so
it's
cute.
new merch. Basically, we're excited to show it to you guys. They're basically prepping you up for the new Super Nintendo world. So let's go take a look at some stuff.
They got some cute keychains like Yoshi. Look at little Yoshi. I like the when he goes like blum, blum. Yoshi. I don't have a good impression, but you know what I mean.
I was always bad at Super Mario World because I'd always have him, like, he'd always die. He'd always fall off the ledge. Mario 64 was my favorite game of all time.
Yes.
You know what I'm going to say right now? I'm going to be so bold as to say Mario 64 is probably the best Super Mario game of all time.
100%.
Oh my gosh, fight me.
100%.
Oh my gosh, fight me.
A little Mario plush over here. Yippee! Remember when I used to do this? Yahoo!
There's Princess Peach. She's so cute. Oh. When I used to work at Toys R Us, they used to have like a bunch of like Princess Peach merch. I used to be obsessed with it. It was so cute. She's adorable. Funny because you only see her for like a quick second beginning of the video game.
Of Mario 64?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta
And then you
save
see her
her.
at the end. She bakes a cake for Mario because he
Yeah.
saved. Yeah. Bum, bum,
Three-layer
bum,
cake.
da-da-da-da.
My favorite Mario game is Mario Kart. I like rock at that game, like 100%. Like I'll beat your butt just like
In
that.
Mario Kart?
Yeah.
You want to race?
I'm gonna race.
Oh,
you wanna drag?
You want to drag? You want to race for pinks?
Race for pinks. Look, this is so cool.
Pretty cool. Can you go to the gym in these?
You can go to the gym with anything.
That's true.
We have these cool hats too. Look.
That is really cool.
That is so cool.
I would definitely wear this shirt right here. Isn't that cool?
I would rock that shirt with the Mario hat.
And I have this with me.
There you go.
I'm going to
That's how you
Nintendo
do it.
World with this guy. I'm going to be wearing that
That
shirt.
shirt.
And I'm going to be rocking, not the Luigi so much, but Mario. And nothing wrong with Luigi. I like Luigi too, but
But it's all about Mr. Mario.
Mario's my speed.
So they have these really cool Goomba hats that are really funny looking. They also have
Bowser, which we're gonna get Bowser.
King Bowser. And then Janelle decided to get herself Yoshi. Look at that. Getting the Yoshi hat.
I'm waiting to see if they have a Mario one in the back. Hopefully
Yeah, from
they
what we
do.
heard, Mario's been sold out. So
No.
they got some in earlier, and then they sold out.
Yeah,
Oh, man.
so we're planning to go to Nintendo World, Universal Studios. Get your gear first because they might sell out.
Guys, look at this. We got so lucky. We asked one of the team members here if they had any more Mario hats. They had one more that someone didn't want. There it is. I got it.
I really like this Mario merch. I really like this hat.
I like my little Yoshi head.
You look awesome. Look at this, guys. Isn't that so cool? And right now, you can get this Super Mario merch, or should I say Nintendo World merch here at Universal Studios.
Yes.
And they ran out of these hats, so hold on. It's a little too bright. Bring down the brightness a little bit. There you go.
They ran out of these hats, and so
They did.
thankfully the team member that was working asked him, "Do you guys have any in the bag?"
Had
And he's
one
like,
more.
Let me go check. And I'm like, please, and then he bought it out.
Yeah, he brought it out. Basically, he said they've been sold out all day. So I'm glad I got my Mario hat. And if you guys want to get one too, just be sure to get here a little bit earlier. That way you can get your hat. But I like your hat.
I like your hat.
Thank you.
I could've gotten the
Mine's an
Luigi-
actual hat.
I could have gotten a Luigi. I know it is, right? You got the Luigi one and matched with you, and
That's the Nintendo World is finally open.
yeah, I could have gotten the Luigi one, but like I really wanted Yoshi. Yoshi's my favorite character. He's so cute. Yoshi.
Yoshi's Island.
Like when he eats his fruit.
I can sleep in this. This thing is soft, guys.
I
Right?
know it's squishy, like a pillow.
Yeah. Yeah, I kind of look like Mario because I got the mustache.
You do.
Right?
Aw.
Man, today was a lot of fun. We
Yes.
tried some delicious food. We really want to thank you guys for coming along. This was a lot of fun. And we just want to say we love you guys. Thank you for the awesome comments. And if you haven't subscribed,
What you doing?
what are you doing? It's time to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like. But we'll see you guys here next time on Magic Journeys. Bye.